Celine Farach is an American model, singer, songwriter and social media influencer who has amassed over 1 million followers on social media. She was born on August 22, 1997 in Miami, Florida and currently resides in Los Angeles. She started her modeling career at the age of 3 and was recruited by Wilhelmina. Celine rose to prominence on Instagram after one of her bikini videos went viral in Thailand and Vietnam and accumulated over 2 million views. She was so popular in Vietnam that she appeared in one of their newspapers. She started singing at the age of 13 and started taking her singing career seriously in 2016. Celine describes her musical style as dance pop, electro pop, future pop. It all falls under indie pop. Besides modeling and singing, Celine has 2 credits in the television shows Follow Japan and H8 Tours.